Hey there, my name is Puneet Tandon and I want to talk about copywriting today. Now, we all know that copy is extremely important when it comes to advertising, but how much of a difference do you think a copy can make when it comes to actually selling and pushing a product? Let me tell you a story. In the year 1982, an author called Nora Hayden wrote a book called Astrological Love. Now, what does the cover tell you about this book? Nothing much, right? So that's what reflected in the sales too. People didn't know what it was. The book, out of the first 5,000 copies that were published, sold only 2,000 copies. The author had to give out all the other 3,000 copies to bookstores and flea markets, and there it sold only for 99 cents. That's under a dollar. But accidentally, a publisher happened to pick up this book and read it. And he was like, hey, this is a great book about how to seduce women. So, what he did was he met this author and bought the rights to the book. He did not change a single word inside the book. All he did was change the title and the cover of the book. He changed the copy of the title. And after that, the book sold 2.3 million copies. Do you want to see what the new title was? Now, this title was intriguing and got people to pick up the book and actually purchase it. And that is how the copy changed the fate of this book from 2,000 copies sold to 2.3 million copies sold. I hope you like this quick knowledge bite. I'll see you soon.